Morning, my lovely souls. So, what aspects of your life do you feel have been affected by addiction in your life? And how do you envision reclaiming control and finding healing? How has this addiction impacted your life or the lives of those around you? What feelings or emotions arise when you think about your addiction? Your addiction can be of your mobile phone, your cigarette, anything. Can you pinpoint any triggers or situations that led you to that addictive behaviors? So you just have to tap into that sensation and just rate from 1 to 10, where 10 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. Keeping that in your mind, now we will move forward with our karate chop. So we'll start. Even though I have this addiction, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel controlled by this addiction, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though this addiction has power over me, I deeply and completely accept myself. This addiction is a struggle. It's been hard to overcome. I feel trapped by this addiction. It's affecting my life negatively. I deeply accept myself anyway. Even with this addiction, I choose to release its holds on me. Letting go of this addiction now. Even though I have this addiction, I deeply and completely accept myself. Relax. Take a deep breath. Now we'll move to round number 2 with the meridian tappings. Even though I still feel the craving for this addiction, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this craving, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though this craving feels overwhelming, I deeply and completely accept myself. This craving for my mobile or cigarette or any food, I feel it in my body. It's like a hunger. I can't resist it. I'm choosing to let it go, releasing this craving now. I'm in control of my choices. I choose freedom from this craving. Even though I still feel the craving for this addiction, I deeply and completely accept myself. I deeply and completely accept myself. Relax. Take a deep breath. And now we'll be moving to round number 3. Even though this addiction has controlled me, I choose to take back my power now. Even though I have struggled with this addiction, I choose to release it and move forward. Even though it's been difficult, I am ready to live a life free from this addiction. I am strong and capable. I release the hold of this addiction. I am in control of my choices. I choose health and happiness. I release the past and embrace the present. I am free from this addiction. I choose a life of balance and fulfillment. I am empowered to live addiction free. I am strong and capable. I release the hold of this addiction. I am in control of my choices. I choose health and happiness. I am strong and capable. I am strong and capable. I am strong and capable. Relax. Take a deep breath in, out. Repeat this tapping sequence as often as needed, adjusting the language to fit your specific situation and feelings. You can comment below your experience of the same. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice